So yes, I think that the bot could be really helpful, like guiding people. What are you looking for? Do you want to see the new collection? Are you looking for trousers, or are you looking for a blazer, or are you looking for work suit, or are you going to a party, or whatever? I think that it can help also guide, and also for like selling more than they maybe was planning to, because there are things. If you buy a suit, of course, the bot should also ask, hey, maybe you should look at a shirt too, or a tie, or something else.